My dearest child, I know that things are incredibly challenging for you right now. Please know that you are not alone in this, even if it may feel like so. I am here, even if it's not physically. I know things will get better. The storm will pass and the sun will shine again. You will shine again. No matter how dark things may seem now, be strong and stay strong. I know words may not be enough to ease the pain right now. Just know that I am thinking of you and sending you strength and all my unwavering love. You are brave, strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any obstacle. You have faced many challenges in your life before, so remember all those obstacles you overcame in your life before made you strong. You have the strength within you to get through this as well. Life's challenges are not presented to us to punish us, rather to heal us, evolve us, and make us stronger than ever before. All may seem dark and impossible. Remain positive in that this too shall pass and make you even stronger. Be kind to yourself and others. Do the things that bring you joy, as they too will help you get through this time, even small things, and hold on to those moments. Practice a lot of self-love and self-care. These are the times when you really need to give yourself a lot of self-care and love. Show up for yourself every day, no matter how dark it may seem or feel. Love yourself every day. Give yourself love every day. Take a few moments to breathe. Do what will help to solve and conquer the situation. Talk about your feelings, even if it's hard. That too can take a layer off your shoulders. Don't carry it all by yourself. Be careful who you open up to, who you allow, and who you trust, especially in these times when one may feel or be vulnerable. Some people may help, and some may see you as an opportunity for them to benefit from your pain. This is why I always say, be careful in all that you do and who you allow into your space. Those you surround yourself with affect your life too, be it in a positive or a negative way. They can help you rise, pull you further down. Trust your instincts. Trust your gut. That is God's compass for you, to guide you and to protect you. Lean on me or those you trust. You will get through this. I am so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too. I love you so much.